This is our first house, so it is like a dream come true.
Ferdo has been quite helpful, and probably I would rate them not 10 out of 10, but more than that. The USP of Ferdo, I believe, is the video walkthrough. I think our approach was to keep the house simple and elegant. I think the experience that I had with Ferdo was very, very special because the process itself is quite unique. The best part about this kitchen is there's a lot of space for us.
And I wanted it to be very much comfortable when I work. So Venu has done a very good job actually, and it has completed all my requirements.
What Ferdo has recommended us is a soft close. So you will see that if I push it like this, it will close automatically.
In short and sweet, I can say I'm very happy.
So thanks to Ferdo.
Yeah, thanks to Ferdo.
Hi, welcome to my house. This is our first home actually, and the house of our dreams. So when we started to do the interiors, we didn't have any clue how to approach towards interiors. But luckily we got Ferdo. Ferdo has been quite instrumental, quite helpful in getting things done for us. I think our approach was to keep the house simple and elegant, and also make sure that the things look quite neat. The house is quite open, and that's where I think the Ferdo did a lot of things for us. The USP of Ferdo, I believe, is the video walkthrough, because I just shared with them the 3D plan or a floor plan of my house. But what I saw in the first meeting with them was a fantastic turnaround, where I could actually visualize my house. I could see the things in place, and those not the animated things, but actual things. I could see a lot of things which you normally see in Pepper Fry or Urban Ladder. A lot of actual articles were actually kept in the house, and I could visualize the house, which was kind of a reality check for me as well. So thanks to Ferdo. So this is our living room. So to start with, I think we didn't want to have a very bulky TV cabinet, and that's the reason our designer Venu, he helped us in saving the space and also make sure it looks quite neat, which was a requirement, and also look elegant and fancy. So we kind of struck the balance where we have a TV unit and also things to showcase stuff. Yeah. So after the TV unit, what we also wanted to check with Ferdo is that we always knew that our living room is quite spacious, but we always had a challenge in finalizing how do we make it proper, how do we make it more filling, but also there should not be clutter of anything. So the kind of, I think the experience that I had with Ferdo was very, very special because the process itself is quite unique, where I had to go online, I had to choose my Harmony. It was in Harmony theme that I chose. And after that, I was called upon by Kiran, and Venu is one of our designers. So he called me to Ferdo office, and we actually saw the walkthrough. We made some changes. We told them that what goes as per our tradition, because Bangalore is quite cosmopolitan and everybody has a different culture which they bring in. So I think Ferdo helped us decide on the right things at the right place, and they also gave us the theme of that what kind of sofa we should go for. It should be an L-shaped sofa, that, and we could also have a chesty kind of thing which can come and block the space. So there's also a partition between living and dining. At the same time, our living room also doesn't look like a clutter of things. So I think Venu also helped us a lot in visualizing the house. He actually advised us about the shoe rack. The shoe rack should be quite fancy, so that we can also keep it in the living room rather than keeping it outside, because he knew that this wall was big. He also advised us about the wallpaper, which is now pending. We'll be having it very shortly. So we thought of keeping the foyer thing inside the house, and we utilized that for a small puja room, and we kept the shoe rack inside, which is kind of fancy. It is actually, it fits the overall theme of the house. So this is the place where gents take the back seat and ladies take the front seat. So this is our kitchen, which goes in line with her expectations. She always wanted this to be her own department, where she could actually not show things, but probably conceal them properly, and also put the glass cabinets for all the fancy look. So what we have done, we have actually gone with the white and brown laminate. we are always confused. Should we go for a glossy or should we go for a matte finish? But I think Venu from Ferdo, Kiran, of course, done a phenomenal job. They advised us not to go for a glossy because it will be easier for us to maintain if it is matte finish. They also advised us for a chimney which goes in line with the color contrast. So one thing which I was really worried about was that should they put a partition here or not, because we have a utility besides the kitchen, which is not outside towards the balcony, but there's a French window there. So we were thinking, should we put a partition? But then I think Kiran did a fantastic job by advising us not to go for a partition where it will stop a lot of light. At the same time, our kitchen will also look quite bigger. There will not be any obstacle for us. So what they advise at any kitchen, you should also go for a soft close. I think what he advised me that the hardware should be something which you should take care of, and that's the reason she also advised me we should go for the Hetic hinges, which are soft close and a lot of water in it. So I think probably she can show you what is the main part of that kitchen.
Actually, this is a favorite place of my house, and I used to spend much of hours in a day in this place, and I wanted it to be very much comfortable when I work. So Venu has done a very good job actually, and it has completed all my requirements. He has given me so many nice drawers, and soft close fittings is really working very well. So I actually like all these, like bottle unit, yeah. All these drawers are like actually cup and plates, and like all these are very much sufficient for all my requirement.
So one more thing is that they didn't recommended us the handles. Sometimes they came out, the handles do come out.
Yeah,
so we rather went for a G profile. So you can actually just put it like this. You don't have to have a handle, right? So you have this, you have a bottle unit here, and this was something which was recommended by Ferdo, so that this also comes as a kind of a partition between the utility and the kitchen. So when somebody is walking from the living room or the dining space, he doesn't see that kind of thing. So we have, and then these are also pretty spacious. So if you have a big containers, which normally we have in our houses, we can keep all that in those. So these are all big space, and then you have a lot of space. So I think the best part about this kitchen is there's a lot of space for us.
In short and sweet, I can say I'm very happy.
So thanks to Ferdo.
Yeah, thanks to Ferdo.
Yes, so this is our master bedroom. We always need a place which is quite peaceful. We wanted to do a TV unit here, but then Ferdo suggested us that most of the times you spend in living room and you only come to bedroom for sleep. So why do you want to go for a TV unit? So that they gave it for a later option. So what we were thinking that as our room has good light, should we go for a dark color or in the wardrobe or a light color? So there I think Ferdo gave a wonderful idea. Why don't we go for a lighter band on the darker base? And then again, these are all sliders, because what we have maintained in the entire house is that we didn't want to have any space constraint, and that's the reason we have gone for slider doors. So what Ferdo has recommended us is a soft close. So you will see that if I push it like this, it will close automatically. So these are all soft closes. There's no sound at all. So I think the carpenters, the workers have done a fantastic job. And again, thanks to Ferdo for giving this design to us. We always had a challenge, can we put a loft on the slider? But I think Ferdo made it possible for us. So again, the space utilization and ultimately the happiness. Yeah, so overall, I would say that we have got the house as per our expectations. It is quite spacious. Ferdo has been quite helpful in actually making us decide what goes well in line with the overall theme of the house. I would also recommend Ferdo for its USP of the video walkthrough which they provide to the customers in the very initial thing. And probably I would rate them not 10 out of 10, but more than that. But of course, always nobody is perfect. There is always a scope for perfection improvement. So I wish them great success. So overall, it's a good house. What do you say?
It's like every house is our first house, so it is like a dream come true. And with the help of Ferdo, it has come out like very beautifully.
Thank you.